Children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson 6 we are going to learn, but I did not write the lesson name. I give some clues about that lesson. You identify the lesson name. Later I will write on the board. Okay. It is a continent. It is a big continent. And this continent is west side of our country. This continent lies west side of our country, India. Okay. And there are extensive deserts. Extensive deserts in that continent and so many dense forests. So many dense forests are there in that continent and so many longest rivers. Longest rivers, numerous large lakes. So many longest rivers and numerous large lakes are there in that continent. And also grasslands. These grasslands stretch over thousands of miles. Grasslands stretch to over thousands of miles. And in that dense forest, so many wild animals which we do not find in our country. There are so many wild animals in that dense forest which we do not find in our country. Okay, guess what is the name of that continent? And one more important point, world's largest gold and diamond mines are located in that continent. World's largest gold and diamond mines are located. And this clue helps you to guess that continent. Human beings first evolved in this continent, later they moved to other continents. Human beings first evolved in this continent, later they moved to other continents. Now say, what is the name of that continent? Yes, it is Africa continent. What is the name of the continent? Africa. This Africa continent is west side of our country, India. There are so many extensive deserts, dense forests, largest lakes and the longest rivers, grasslands, so many grasslands stretch towards thousands of miles, and wild animals, so many wild animals in that forest. There are so many forests in that area, and world's largest gold and diamond mines are located in this continent. First human beings are evolved in this continent in Africa only, later they moved to other continents. Okay, this is a vast plateau, Africa. Africa is a vast plateau. On this continent, several mountains. On this plateau, several mountains are there. The highest peak, which is the highest peak in this plateau? Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro. Where is it? In Tanzania. Where is it? Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. This is the highest peak. Okay. And the long and narrow valleys in the high plateaus. In the high plateaus there are long and narrow valleys. And so many several large lakes pass in that country, in that continent. There is a north region. In the north region of that plateau, Sahara Desert is there. This region receives very scanty rainfall. So here Sahara Desert, which region? In the north region. In the Africa continent, north region, Sahara Desert is there. This area receives very scanty rainfall. Okay, this is here Lake Victoria is the largest lake. In Africa continent there is a lake, there are so many lakes. In that Victoria is the largest lake, and this is a freshwater lake for the people. This is freshwater lake. From this lake, Nile originates from this lake. River Nile flows in this continent. river Nile flows in Africa continent. This Nile originates from this lake. This Nile flows through Egypt. Where does this Nile flows? This Nile flows through Egypt. Egypt is most part is desert in Egypt. Most part is desert in Egypt. So this Nile water, river water, this Nile river water irrigates the fields of Egypt. This Nile water is a resource for Egypt people, and this water irrigates the fields of Egypt. And Victoria Lake is a freshwater lake, and people depends on this lake water for their needs. Okay. Now this is Africa continent, which is the highest peak in this plateau, Kilimanjaro, and there are so many large lakes, which is the largest lake and freshwater lake, Victoria Lake. Which river flows in this continent? Nile river. Which river? Nile river. Which lesson we are learning now? Africa continent. Where it is? It is the west side of our country. What are there in this continent? There are so many dense forests and extensive deserts. Sahara desert. There is a desert, Sahara desert. Where it is? In the north region. North region there is a desert called Sahara desert. It is most important desert in Africa continent. Okay, so many grasslands also there stretched towards thousands of miles in this region, and many wild animals living in that forests, and world's largest diamond and gold mines are located in this region. Human beings are evolved in this continent, later they moved to other countries. Okay children, the next class we will learn more about this lesson.